So, usually we have a leader meeting or student serve team meeting inside of the space, right? We'll have like pizza, play a game, and do all that stuff. We're gonna have pizza today. We're gonna have Little Caesars. So the food will be coming, but our meeting is gonna be a little bit different. But we're gonna go on the court real quick. We have leaders over there in the court right now, and so let's go on ahead and head on over there.
This specific serve team, we're gonna kind of be starting off with what we kind of call a demonstrated example. Basically, we're gonna make them clean up this entire loft area, but it's gonna kind of be a surprise to them, right? Not from a bad place of our hearts, but we are going to be demonstrating to them what kingdom work looks like. You know, it looks like having to stack up chairs, you know, and move them, right, and pick up trash and throw it away. And so I believe, right, like Nate is going to be our man on the clock, you know, constantly making sure we are not too under or too over, right? Nate, do you mind kind of like just going through some of the items?
Yeah. Our heart behind this entire serve team hangout is going to be a little different than before. Mm-hmm. So we really have noticed in our student serve team, and I don't know if you guys noticed, but this kind of aspect of clickiness, this aspect of like, we come here as a student serve team to just hang out. Mm-hmm. And you see, like, I think all of us should understand what serving looks like, and what it's not just to hang out. It's not just to have fun. Of course, these are aspects that are important for the ministry. You know, we want them to have fun. We want them to have a good time. But if we get down to nitty-gritty, like, we are here because we're here to serve the Lord with all our talents, with all our gifts, with all our strength. And so this kind of demonstration is to show them, like, hey, this is what serving looks like. And so we're gonna have them do this. And the idea is that we want them to struggle. We want them to get frustrated with each other. We want them to have this conflict, to have these butting heads, to have like, man, why are we doing this? This is tired, this is dumb. So that we could come alongside them and be like, hey, I know, I've been there. It sucks, but hey, let me show you what the Bible says. This is what leading looks like. This is what serving looks like. And so I want us to kind of have this kind of hands-on, hands-offish approach. Like, I want us to be there, but not too present, you know? Like, I feel like we should be able to just be like another student to them, serving with them. Because how can we say we're leaders if we can't show them what serving looks like? Yeah. And so I don't want you guys to like keep bossing them around, but kind of let them figure out, but also just be their friend, be that servant. So I'm pretty sure you're wondering why we're here in the court, but I got good news for you. We have volunteered ourselves as the student serve team and leadership to help the custodial team out today, and we're going to, you see all this? We're going to be tearing it down. We'll be cleaning up to bless the student serve, to bless the custodial team. And, yeah!
Ready to get hit?
I can't, I tried.
It's always got it.